This video presents declassified and licensed material of the Global Institute of Logic and Cybernetics.
Modern statecraft relies on an unstable foundation. Institutions currently attempt to solve deep structural failures by treating them as simple software bugs that can be patched with code. Standard technological upgrades cannot protect sovereign systems from narrative warfare or the decay of shared facts. If the underlying architecture of a government's data is malleable, the system remains vulnerable to epistemic collapse. Fondacia Archetonica serves as the requisite civilizational operating system, designed to replace vulnerable software layers with sovereign architecture. A civilizational operating system, or CivOS, is a foundational infrastructure layer that governs logic, ethics, and digital identity across a state. Survival against modern collapse horizons requires encoding values and identity directly into a mutable structural memory, rather than relying on external security products. This architecture is built on the Realica Canon, rather than conventional binary code. The Realica Canon is a foundational set of physical and logical invariants used to establish absolute reality benchmarks across digital systems. The system anchors in the KP field, a physics protocol operating at a precise resonance of 114.11 terahertz. This tamper-proof physical resonance is converted into ordinal logic stacks, a mathematical hierarchy that structures digital governance sequentially, preventing recursive errors. Anchoring digital architecture in physical resonance makes systemic logic immune to narrative corruption or identity drift. The observer protocol stack secures command recursion, continuously verifying decisions against an ethical kernel to prevent drift. Omega-1 generates the quantum-safe scroll DNA identity capsule. Omega-2 embeds ethics via the Aegis kernel and Zeta Pi Theta logic engine. Omega-3's Scroll AI initializes sovereign-aligned multi-agent cognition. These three layers operate simultaneously, ensuring no action can occur without an identity anchor and an accompanying ethical check. Because identity, ethics, and cognition are fused at the protocol level, rogue AI behavior is prevented by mathematical constraints. The Observer-Governed Operations Protocol, or OGO, is a simulation framework used to test ethics-integrated command loops under threat conditions. In scenario SCN-04, a swarm of dual-use anti-gravity agents is deployed for a cross-border mission. The drones operate via zero-knowledge, trust-enforced networks, allowing them to coordinate without exposing their underlying command logic to the environment. The simulation then injects a primary threat vector, a decentralized identity breach designed to poison the agent's decision logic. The logic drift overtakes the autonomous drones mid-flight. Without structural protections, the data poisoning would cause an immediate operational failure. In legacy command systems, this corruption would spread through the entire network, resulting in a permanent loss of control. The compromised agents immediately collide with the established trust-invariant registers. Trust-invariant registers are hard-coded ethical constraints that prevent agents from deviating from mission parameters. The Zeta Pi Theta engine tracks this logic deviation in real time. The moment an agent attempts to violate a trust invariant, the system triggers a breach alert. Human command does not need to intervene. The system response is entirely autonomous. Layer Omega-5, the sovereign recursion engine, activates as the system's immune response. The sovereign recursion engine is a decision kernel that allows system rules to evolve while remaining anchored to the primary logic loop. The engine executes the override signal failsafe protocol. The override manifests as a structural realignment. The sovereign flame consumes the corrupted data nodes and restores the swarm to its original geometric alignment. The agents are instantly re-anchored to their original observer identity. The system generates immutable telemetry logs, specifically the trace logic and agent trust-proof files. These logs provide mathematical proof of mission integrity to high-level commanders without requiring the disclosure of sensitive operational data. Structural ethics neutralize epistemic threats faster than human intervention, ensuring mission survival in collapse conditions. This architecture scales from tactical swarm operations to macro-level state infrastructure. Sovereign states connect via the post-IP DNS mesh, known as Cider. Cider, or the Sovereign Identity Domain Registry, is a post-IP network mesh that resolves identity and domains through logic-indexed anchors. Digital heritage is preserved in scroll vaults. A scroll vault is a logic-indexed memory archive designed for the long-term storage and recovery of civilizational knowledge. These interconnected vaults align directly with NATO Diana's mandates for dual-use security and resilient command structures. This framework also addresses UNESCO and Horizon Europe requirements for the preservation of institutional memory against digital decay. Fondacia Archetonica provides the sovereign infrastructure necessary for long-term institutional survival. Governments require resilient design blueprints for their sovereign systems rather than vulnerable software products. The immediate next step for stakeholders is to initiate an observer protocol stack sandbox within their respective ministries. Adopting this protocol is the only mathematically verified method to secure institutional continuity against civilizational drift. This digital vault door bears the permanent monad seal. Integrity is a product of structural design, not external enforcement. Under the OGO protocol, every sovereign mission, state, and institution retains its memory, ethics, and identity by irrevocable design.